she thought that it was David. Like, oh, David with an E, right? No, it's an I. It's David. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought David. Because of the pronunciation of the words. B, and V, right? Okay, and we have Anaí. Sareli. How do you spell Areli?
A-R-E-L-E.
I.
No, it's Y.
Oh, it's a Y. What, only one L?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How do you spell Juan?
John.
Yeah, with an H. Juan. Okay, and you are Santiago. Santiago. Okay, I'm doing a little crock, is a little map. Okay, because I always love to know a student's name because you're very important people. And it is true. Okay, Santiago, we're in number what? Number 7.
I am hungry.
Yes.
I make you a sandwich.
Yes. That's true, right? In number 7, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, I know. And I'll make you a sandwich. What do you need to make a sandwich?
What?
What do you need to make a sandwich?
Bread.
Bread. How much bread do you need?
2.
2 slices, very good. What else do you need?
Ham.
Ham. How much ham do you need?
Maybe 2 slices. 2.
Maybe 2 slices because you don't want a lot of bread. What else? Cheese. How much?
1 slice.
Only 1 slice of each cheese. 3 cheeses, right? I always put 3 cheeses. In Spanish we say yellow cheese, but it's called American cheese, right? Like Kraft American singles. Kraft, it's American. You'll need Manchego cheese and Philadelphia cheese, cream cheese, right?
I can eat American cheese.
You can't?
No, I am allergic.
Oh, because it is not real cheese, right?
No, it's a fabric cheese.
Yes. In fact, they say processed cheese, type, American
processed.
type. They don't say cheese really. It's processed product.
Yeah, the coloring, colorante,
Yeah.
it makes me allergic.
Yeah, I know. It's very allergic. In fact, for example, well, you're going to say it doesn't have anything to do. For example, Be-Lights, you know the Be-Light water with Jamaican flavor, flavor and everything. I cannot drink those because the sugar, they don't use sugar, they use edulcorant. That means artificial sweetener. It's a sweetener. It makes me like cough. There's something. So they say, okay, would you like a light soda, Coca-Cola Light, something like that? I'm sorry, it makes me cough. Kind of allergic to that. It makes me feel like a headache because of the artificial sweetener. Okay, that's nice. Very good. You have a lot of vocabulary and that's very important in class. Very good, everybody. Okay, number 8. We have number 8. We go back. 1. What is in number 8? Very good.
Good job, man.
Very hot. People tend to say, okay, how do we say this? Because in Spanish we say, I have a heat. I have heat. They say, I have heat. I remember I was talking about, I'm hungry, right? You say, oh, I'm hungry. Hungry is an adjective, right? In Spanish you say, I have hunger. And I was joking with my students and saying, okay, I have hunger. I have hunger. I said, what does that mean? Oh, it means I'm hungry. But in Spanish we say like, I have hunger. But that's not in English, right? No, we say, I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm that's the way we use it. And Spanish is a little different. Okay. This is real for me. Number 9. And number 9.
I've got no money. I'll lend you some money.
Okay, that's right. There's for example, how do you pronounce that word in number 9? Because people tend to ask me, how do you pronounce that word? It's poor or poor?
Or
Poor. It's like or, yeah. Some dictionaries, I always tell my students to look the pronunciation of the dictionaries. Or.
sorry, in the 9, in down is another
Oh yeah.
sentence. I'm
Oh
sorry.
yeah. It's different, right?
Yeah.
Here it says I'm poor, and
I'm
here it
poor,
says
I lend
I've
you
got
some
no
money.
money. I've got it means I don't have.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's kind of British. I've got no money. I'm sorry. Yes, that's right. There's a little difference here. I was reading this and you were reading this one. These ones. Okay, in fact in number 6 there's also a difference. It says my bags are very heavy, and in the sentence here it says my bags are heavy.
Yeah.
And finally number 10. Really?
I'm very tired.
There's another difference.
I'm tired.
Tired, yes. And what's the answer?
I'll get you some coffee.
I'll get you some coffee. That means that the person is tired and sleepy. So that person needs coffee. Okay, so as you may see, we have a problem and we have an immediate decision. We use will to talk about immediate decisions. Oh, you're tired? Yes. Okay, I'll bring you some coffee. Okay, keep awake, You need to keep working. Okay. Oh, can you help me? Yes, I'll help you. Yeah, they're very heavy. Let me help you. Okay. We turn the page, please, and we have an activity with going to. Yes? I also wrote the table here that we're going to use. We're talking about plans here. When we talk about plans, we use going to. Yes, if you have a plan, like in December what we have? Christmas. Because I believed in Santa Claus, I'm going to ask Santa Claus to bring me something, right? But I have to lend money to Santa Claus because he's very poor, so I'll lend him some money to bring me the present, right? Okay, in going to, we talk about plans. Today is Saturday. That means that we have a plan for next week, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're going to have an example here. These are the parts of the day: the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. That means that we have 3 plans for each day. Here in the activity, we have the plans for Abdul. Abdul is what? Abdul is a student, right? Why? Because it says that on Monday morning, he is going to go to college. Yes? Okay. Using the table here, you're going to write 9 sentences, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 activities. Yes? Please write the sentences here about Abdul's plans for the week. We're going to use
We have to write in the afternoon or no?
No, it's not necessary, because we have 9 activities here.
Okay.
So in the afternoon he's going to sleep, I think. So for example, in the afternoon you're not going to write anything. Just the activities that you see here. Yes? Remember, it's he is going to and the activity. Remember that if it says visit my mother, you're going to write visit
Her mother.
his, because he's a man, yes. Abdul is a man. So you say he's going to visit his mother. It's just been right. Yeah, sure. Of course.
I think
You finished? Very good. Ready? Or you have a question?
no.
Okay. Any questions? On Thursday morning is going to study English, that's correct? On Wednesday evening, going to watch football. Wednesday morning, everything fine? Yeah, it's kind of more like a puzzle, like copy paste. Yeah, these activities are like copy paste. You give the information. Right, after you finish, please, in your notebook, write your week's plan, kind of Abdul, yes? Copy the table, and fill the information. Write the information that you're going to do next week.
Yeah, your information.
Yes, your personal information, when you finish, your personal information. In my case, how can I fill this? On Monday morning, I'm going to teach classes. On Monday afternoon, I'm going to teach classes. On Monday evening, I'm going to teach classes.
In my case, it's something like that. I'm going to work.
Yes.
And I write the 5 days I'm going to work.
Yeah, in this case, for example, where do you work?
In a school.
In a school?
I am a teacher, a kindergarten teacher.
A kindergarten teacher? What
Yeah.
school is it and where is it?
Oh, it's in Rio Bravo.
It's in Rio Bravo.
Yeah.
So that means that during the morning you teach.
Yes.
And in the afternoon, what do you do?
No, I'm free and I am in my home.
Okay, imagine that you're going to do something,
Okay.
for example, go watch a movie
Yeah.
or...
But in the morning I teach only right that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, David, when you're going to write your week's plan in your notebook, kind of have tools. Yeah, for example, what do you do? Well, teach. On Thursday afternoon, I pick up my kids. On Friday, I also pick up my kids from school. And in the evening, I go to church on Fridays evening. But yesterday I couldn't, so I guess I'll do that. Oh, just the table, don't worry. Just the table. Yes. Don't worry about this. It's just the table. Just the table, not the sentences.
Okay, yeah.
Just the table.
Yes.
Because we're going to talk about it. Yes?
Yes.
And what are you going to do on Friday, teacher? In the morning? Sleep. I remember the same thing I always do. Do you remember Pinky and the Brain? Brain, what are we going to do tonight? What we do every night.
Oh, yeah.
We're going
Yes.
We're going to conquer the world, right? What are we going to do tonight? The same thing we do every night. We're going to conquer the world. Okay. Yeah, for example, here I have the same repetitions. This repetition is about picking up the kids because I don't work on Thursday or Friday afternoon, so I have my free time and I pick up the kids. When you finish your table, you're going to give it to your classmate, because your classmate is going to talk about, in this case you can talk about my schedule. They're going to talk about the other person's table, like Abdul's. Yes?
We have to do something with the...
Not do, we're going to talk about this. Yes, it's only one. One of you is going to participate from the other, okay? Now we have to finish the idea. We commonly do repetitions, right? Sleep all day. Okay, so you work late, right? Yeah, for example, remember, what do you do on Monday morning? I sleep. Why? I arrive at 7 a.m. to my house. Also, you work in the night shift. Yes, the night shift. So the person arrives at 7 in the morning, goes to sleep. At 1 or 2 o'clock, they wake up, then do something and go to work. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm ready. And who's going to talk about the others' plans? Irene is going to talk about Anais' plans. Okay. On Monday morning?
Teach.
Okay, you have to say on Monday morning. On Monday morning?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. On Monday morning, she's going to teach. Otra vez todo.
Yeah. What is she going to do on Wednesday afternoon?
She on Wednesday afternoon she's going to sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor, very good. Okay, and what is Anai going to do on Friday evening?
On Friday evening,
Yes?
she's going to visit my family. Her family.
Her family. Okay, very good. Thank you. Jacqueline, do you have David's plans for the week? Not yet? He doesn't have any plans yet? Okay, Damaris, what is the teacher going to do on Tuesday evening?
On Tuesday evening,
good. And what about Friday afternoon? What is he going to do on Friday afternoon?
Friday afternoon he's going to beach
On Friday afternoon? Okay, very good. And Santiago, what about Juan's plans for the week? What is he going to do on Tuesday morning? He's going to sleep? Okay, very good. What is Juan going to do on Thursday evening? He's going to see movies. He's going to watch a movie. Very good. Jacqueline, what is David going to do on Monday morning?
On Monday morning, he is going to go to the uni.
What?
The uni.
The uni.
What is it? Go to uni? Okay.
Yeah, he's going to the university.
Right.
Right? He's going to the university. Okay. And what is Arely going to do on Wednesday morning?
On Wednesday morning, she's going to sleep.
Okay, very
Oh,
good.
in the morning?
Yes,
Oh, sorry, go to school.
okay. We have the